Sit with your legs stretched out straight in front of you, feet together, toes flexed toward you. Sit on a folded blanket if your hamstring feels tight. Inhale, raise your arms up, lengthening your spine. Feel the lift from your sitting bone to fingertips. Exhale, hinge from your hips. Keep the spine long and fold forward. Imagine the chest is leading the movement, not your hand. Rest your hand wherever they reach, on mat, shins, or feet. If needed, bend your knees slightly in order to protect your lower back. Close your eyes. With every inhale, find length, and with each exhale, surrender into the stretch. Now, if we talk about the benefits of Paschimottanasana, number first, it stretches your hamstring, spine, and calves. Second, it calms the nervous system, relieves mild depression and anxiety. It stimulates digestive organ and improves metabolism. Soothes menstrual discomfort and reduces fatigue. Enhances focus and introspection, drawing your awareness inward. People with sciatica, severe lower back pain, or sleep disc should avoid or practice under guidance. If you have asthma or diarrhea, skip or at least keep the fold gentle. Pregnant practitioners should avoid deep forward fold. You can always use a bolster or bend your knees if your flexibility is limited. Always choose safety over injury. In Paschimottanasana, we don't just bend the body, we bow to ourselves. It is not a stretch to touch the toes, it is chance to touch the stillness, move inward, and find the self. Thank you so much. If you really like this video, please subscribe to The Secret Mat.